The first basic function in Excel that we are going to learn is the count function. For this we have a table here, the Form E registration data. Let's look at how we can apply this count function in this table. So count function will enable us to count the number of records that exists. So is equal to count, open bracket. We can select either the range that we want to count or the column. In this case, we are selecting column A, close bracket, enter. 21. So if we see the number of records here in the column A, we can see the count is 21. Yes, 21 records. Suppose we apply the same count function to column B. The result is coming 0. Why it is? Because this count function will count only the numeric values, that is the numbers. If you want to count the text or any other fields, maybe both text and numbers, what we need to apply is the count A function. So is equal to count A. Yes. If we select column B, yes, but we got 22. Why that is? Because it has counted the heading also, that is the name of the HRG, which is the heading of the column, it has counted. If you want to exclude, then count A minus 1. Yes, so this is how we can get. The count function counts all the values, but in many of the cases we may have to apply some criteria. In column D we have the subcategory, which is 1 means the daily injectors, 2 means the non-daily injectors, and we have to count how many of the registered or daily injectors. Then for that we will have to use a function called count if. So we'll see is equal to count if, open bracket, it is asking the range. So we have to select the column D because that is where we have this data. Criteria, let's see 1. Enter. Okay. So we have 10 records which is of the subcategory 1. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we have 10 records of the non-daily injectors. So if you want non-daily, you need to just change the criteria here. Yes. So that is how we apply the count if. So suppose in this table we want to see, we have the age column, how many people are of age greater than 25 years of age. Then how do we apply the count if? Select in the range, select age. When we are applying the criteria here, we will have to use the double inverted comma, age 25, again double inverted comma, close, enter. This gives us, when we are applying count, we can either also apply lesser than 25, how many are there, we can just change the criteria here. So this is how we apply some of the criteria we want to see in COUNTIF function. One more way is we have a hotspot name here, bus stand. We want to see how many of the records are from the bus stand hotspot. For that, again, we are going to use the COUNTIF function, select the hotspot name. In the criteria, instead of typing bus stand, what we are going to do is we are going to select the cell. Select the cell bus stand, type enter. Yes, we have 10 records, 10 records with the hotspot name as bus stand. So this is how we use the count and COUNTIF functions. Thank you.